Good day guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to enable virtualization in Windows 11. So pretty much this isn't even connected to Windows, it's just connected to your motherboard's BIOS. And guys, as you can see, I have in my text file in here the names of the settings that you need to search in your motherboards, in your BIOS settings to enable the virtualization. So it might be named Intel VTX, so this is for Intel, of course, systems, Intel Virtualization Technology, AMDV, and SVM. On my MSI motherboard, it's going to be called SVM, and I will show you where to find your virtualization settings. So guys, now you need to start by restarting your computer. Okay, and when you're restarting, don't forget to press on delete or have two buttons depending on your motherboard to get into the BIOS. Okay, as you can see, I am now in my BIOS, so let's continue. Alright guys, and in here, let me just grab my mouse. In here you're searching for settings of your motherboard, so go here. So let me now find it. Okay guys, so if you have a search button on your motherboard, this is going to be much easier to find because I wasn't for some reason able to find the setting manually. So guys, you just press on search, and as you can see in here, I've already typed it in. You just type in SVM or any of those settings that I've shown you in my text file, and this is the virtualization setting. As you can see, SVM enable, and you just want to go ahead and click on it and just choose enabled. And after this, you will need to, of course, restart your computer and your virtualization setting will be enabled. And also, guys, a small tip, if you don't have the search button, you just need to go into your settings and you go to advanced, and under the advanced section, you will probably be able to find your virtualization setting. So if you don't have it as SVM, just be sure to Google your pretty much motherboard's model, and yeah, it will tell you which is the precise name of the virtualization setting. You search for it here and enable it. So enjoy guys, this is pretty much it. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.